Hello there. Welcome to Star's Kitchen, and as always, thank you for stopping by. If you happen to have stumbled upon our channel, well, this is Star's Kitchen and we are glad you're here. In case you don't know what we're about, we are all about old recipes, exalting old recipes that tells the history of where we are coming from and where we've been. Alright, thank you. Subscribe to us as this really helps us and also helps us to know what you like and what we bring to you often. Alright, on behalf of this Yuletide season, we're going to be talking about roast chicken, as this is a perfect recipe for family. As we all know, Christmas is a beautiful time for family to be together, make some sumptuous dinner for Christmas or for New Year's Eve, and just celebrate. Alright, quickly, as always, if you know how we do it here, I'm just going to give you a little bit history about roast chicken. The history of roast chicken in Africa includes the introduction of chickens to the continent, the development of local chicken breeds, and the popularity of roast chicken as a roadside food in Nigeria. Chickens were introduced to Africa multiple times, possibly from Egypt. Radiocarbon dating suggests that chickens were introduced around 2,500 years ago. Roast chicken is a popular roadside food in Nigeria. However, the history of roast chicken is complex and includes influences from many cultures and time period. In some history, roast chicken was traditionally cooked on a spit in front of a fire, but now baked in the oven, and others as a traditional part of special family meals such as Christmas, holidays, Thanksgivings, and so on. Alright guys, that's a little bit we can take about the history of roast chicken. Now let's tell you how we make this spicy roast chicken. Alright, we put a little bit of touches to this roast chicken recipe just so we can bring it home closely to Africa, to Nigeria, because why we like spicy, at least most of us do. So let's show you how we do this. Here we have some of our Herbanero peppers grated, and we have our chicken cleaned. We're just going to dab it with our kitchen towel paper and spray on some of our olive oil. These are our seasonings. We have 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. Don't worry, check the description box. It will have all of the details and every information you need on how this was done. From what the video shows, you have everything in the description box there. So this is our garlic clove. We're just going to cut it in half, make the base smaller because that is going to be inserted into the bone of our chicken. Yeah, that's right. So we spray our olive oil, give it a good massage, and just rub that olive oil in. And here's our pepper, coarsely grated. We're going to rub it in the chicken. Make sure you rub this really well inside and outside because we want this chicken to be juicy and spicy. Alright, so this is our seasoning, and we're going to pour that in. The same thing, massage it thoroughly. Let the chicken feel it. Give it a nice massage. Don't go pit for that chicken. So these are rosemary leaves. We're just going to insert that in. 2 spring leaves is fine. Add in our garlic clove, the one we chopped earlier, right? The base, which is smaller. Put that in, get a cling film, and cover that. Keep in your fridge. This was daybreak. Let it stay overnight in the fridge. This is daybreak. Bring it out 30 minutes before the cooking time, because why? This is the D-Day. We have our potatoes here, Irish potatoes, and small size because I got a baby potato. If you have a big one, it's fine. Just cut them into large chunks. These are carrots already scraped, and we just cut them into large chunks. Girl, take more vegetables. I really regretted not adding more. I'll show you a picture of me doing it the next time, and I added more of the veggies because they're so juicy and so lovely. Yeah, this is the picture of that. Yeah, that's it, because it was so nice. We couldn't have enough of it, so the next time I did, I just made sure I went all in with more vegetables. Get a medium-sized onion and cut them in large chunks like this. Get 1 clean lemon and just cut it in half. Alright, so all of our veggies except the lemons, and we're going to put them in the bowl like this. I'm just showing you what the potato size look like. Add our fresh rosemary leaves. Now I'm adding 3. Don't forget we added 2 to the chicken. Here we're adding 3. These are different rosemary leaves, and the other half of the garlic clove, which we called earlier. Okay, so add here the olive oil, put some salt, and of course our black pepper. Black pepper is a must for this recipe. I don't know, it just does something to the chicken. Alright, we'll stir this properly, and this is our chicken. I brought this out of the fridge for 30 minutes going now, so And now our lemons are going to go in. Make sure this lemon is facing up. Please don't squeeze because you don't want it to be bitter. Just put it there nicely facing up. And like that, these are melted butter. Like I said, description box, you get every details you want there. So we're just gonna wipe this on the butter. We're just gonna rub it on the chicken properly. Do it better next time. This was my first time attempting this recipe, so do the top first, the top, and the bottom, that's the other part. All right, so you rub that, spray it, then put your butter, add some salt and pepper, and do this other part. So this part is the top, is going to be facing up. Get the string, tie those laps, tie them, we want them in one place, and fold the wings under the shoulders of the chicken. Pour in our veggies, set them well, put it in the preheated oven. Preheated. The times will be in the description box, don't worry. And this is baked now for 30 minutes. I'm just going to rub some more butter on it. Be generous with that butter because it gives it this beautiful flavor. Now when you poke your chicken like this with your skewer and the water runs wide, it means your chicken is cooked, ready. So serve it on your tray, your plate, whatever you desire. Or that juice pour on your chicken, because girl, this chicken was nice, tasted really good. So, and my family and I had a lovely Christmas when we had the year we had this Christmas. And this is what our chicken looks like. Try this recipe and let me know what yours look like. All right, on behalf of Stars Kitchen, we wish you and your family prosperous New Year, a beautiful Christmas. We hope you enjoy this season, and may all the blessings in the world follow you and yours. Please subscribe to our channel, follow us, and drop your comment. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.